Mr. Krabs' stomach made strange noises, and in a panic, he immediately chased everyone out. Squidward and SpongeBob got a rare early break. Mr. Krabs fled in a flash, and SpongeBob, sensing something was wrong, immediately followed. When they arrived at the place, Mr. Krabs seemed to be waiting for something. But when SpongeBob suddenly appeared, Mr. Krabs tensed up instantly. Just then, a plate of food was brought to Mr. Krabs' table. Unable to hide it anymore, Mr. Krabs revealed the truth to SpongeBob. It turned out that when Mr. Krabs was a sailor, he overslept. By nightfall, all the food was gone and he was starving. That's when the chef brought Mr. Krabs some chum. Although he was reluctant, he couldn't resist his hunger. After taking a bite, he became obsessed with the taste and gradually grew addicted. He asked SpongeBob to keep this secret buried in his heart. Just as Mr. Krabs was eager for another serving, the chef announced that the restaurant would be closing. Watching the food cart drive away, Mr. Krabs collapsed to the ground in despair. So he asked SpongeBob to make some chum. But when SpongeBob heard the ingredients, his face turned pale. However, SpongeBob offered to make a version that looked identical. Moments later, SpongeBob served the new chum. But after tasting several portions, Mr. Krabs still felt it wasn't right. Crying by the roadside, he swore he would never yield to Plankton. Yet he soon found himself rummaging through Plankton's trash for food. His noise alerted Plankton in the room. Karen discovered him first, and Plankton wondered why Mr. Krabs was there. As Mr. Krabs tried to make up an excuse, his stomach let out a thunderous growl. Plankton uncovered Mr. Krabs' secret. He brought a bowl of chum. He wants to trade it for Mr. Krabs' secret formula. When Mr. Krabs opened the safe, he found SpongeBob inside. Mr. Krabs grabbed the secret formula, but was stopped by SpongeBob. Dragging SpongeBob to Plankton's lab, Mr. Krabs instantly fell under the spell of the chum in front of him. After a fierce fight between Plankton and Mr. Krabs, the formula fell into the chum pile. Both men leaped in after it. Mr. Krabs stuffed himself with chum wildly. The obese Mr. Krabs finally retrieved the formula, but in the process, he killed his love for chum. And so, Plankton was doomed to spend the rest of his life happily inside Mr. Krabs' stomach.